indicating the 9 rows. Configurations and the prototype to be tested. So L9 means that 9 experiments are to be carried out to study for for variable at the 3 levels. Next. I next introduce Taguchi's approach to parameter design process. There are 7 processes. First step, determine the quality characteristic to be optimized. The quality characteristic is parameter whose variation has a critical impact on product quality. The second step, the second step is identify the noisy factor that can have a negative impact on the system parameter and the quality. Noisy factors are loss parameter which are either uncontrollable and or are expensive control. And next step, identify the control factor and their alternative levels. The control factor sought to have critical impact in quality characteristic. Control factor parameters are loss design factor that can be tested and maintained. Next. Fourth step, define the matrix, define the data analysis procedure and experiment. The appropriate orthogonal array for noisy and control parameter to fit specific study are selected. After selecting appropriate orthogonal array, a procedure to simulate the design factor in the quality characteristic due to noisy factor needed to be defined. Next step, conduct the matrix experiment. The step is conduct the matrix implement and record the result. The Taguchi method can be used in any initiation where there is a controllable process. The next step, analyze the data and determine optimal levels for the control factor. To the analyze result, the Taguchi method use a statistical measure of the performance. It called the signal to noise. It borrow from electrical control theory. Final step. Using the Taguchi method, the parameter design, the expected optimal setting need not correspond to one of the row of the matrix experiment. This is often the case. When highly segmented design are used. Yes. This is my idea. The Taguchi method is a powerful tool that can improve quality and reduce cost. So it can be learning for learning easily for engineer. So I want to apply optimize algorithm. Example, GA in crossover parameter setting. Thank you.